dinhi magaling siya. So we were together in Lakas Pinoy when President Gloria Macapagal ran as president at that time. I think that was 2002. We were together. That's why we are very close. Now he is with another semi-employee ni General Madrigal karon sa department. PCA, yeah. Mm-hmm. So, ang mga programa sa DAR ang naghatag nato og oportunidad na mas mulambo o mas kahayahay nga kahimtang sa panginabuhi o kinabuhi sa mga